we might exclude ourselves kurworo. Lakini moro bali kito begete kwene kenga as a church ndora bwati umukondo uyo akero kende de Mackenzie na mwana shaka ora nyalito kwa wapi.
Amisi, we do not want to complicate issue ya Mackenzie. Mackenzie is Mackenzie. Na endelea na bweka. It's not the yardstick. Your commercial these other religious organizations. And that is why Amangana Mackenzie should be dealt exceptionally different from other religious organizations. Point number 2, ntakete kwa address naende abantu baito bali batotegerete bamanyalinganeri.
Yes. Kenya
ne serikali yetu ya Kenya nebwate egente kuriya. Actually this is just but a nice bag. Lakini ekwerende ya ito serikali ya Kenya egentongireta gete kuriya ekateiri completely the running and the operations of the church.
Yes.
Go introduce bintu birabi ko musano tanya kumanya na ndete tebe bantu babawe ya. That no manyetenga there is a way batakete ko sinike musoada yo tebanga even homosexuals and recipients must be accepted in Kenya. Abantu tokura they are theists. Na we told you more comment the other day. They are supposed to be it is even there. It is already in. Omanya ko tebinga kanisa what are they talking about? Abantu abawukwana bamanya ko tebinga umusate no musate banyuwa mane umuswate no muswate banyuwa mane basiru wa address that morality bono basoire kanisa sibago isalansa se kanisa yebeke to kurangiri umoika ngano bago chabacho ko tebinga atotagete toramuna umoika igo kolegire tu no moikonde.
Yes.
To kore to monte politician no kore to jo matebinga ge dotegerere kanisa na manye kito kwa
na ko
type we kito kwa igago chabe ro omne statue. That is number 1. Number 2, again, serikali ubonata kuligereria gyoka na endekanya konya the registration of churches at the eve of registration. That is the end of everything. Amangano moikoko kolekere kanisa yabeire ajibatigere nyasaye mbago cha kubwato nobono montarabu aratwaro moika omoiko mubwate akukwa na katika ndimi kulmara kwa papa mami ebago cha kumubwata.
Yo sana manchomo ligereria mawuli makonkeke my god mege tasenikaliziti ni watu tire nkwane yabenda asenga nchoyo botu tukana banyale kwa bokane kibumo swado yunale ko ba go kubekwa bosubwe bunge ye senate buna abakore bo manana ke kugera to kwenda to abalia to jana barabuga tonyala ko bato kusangana barabutoranga prophet do agirenga some element also yabantu mbaroro the so called ndabarukinga nebi bago abantu bebisete batabwati niyangia abaro chenga the only way they can capture ngwetera sumuro bwe kanisa. Do you agree with me that element ngibone chonchiroro as chikanisa
yani ngabantu bali bago bose bali fake pastors?
Yes, that's exactly what
fake ministers. Astayo fake yetayo astayo we even have rogue journalists. We even have rogue doctors.
Yes.
This one's in mbali polity. That's why vile wote banga kwacha ngano na magugu ime pamoja. So that one because yes. But that is not the basis. Yo wote banga bono tikatutumeke igo to sara ni bono. Bono batete kuburukaniga basali. The rogue people will always be there mba kubura. It can never miss anywhere. In any normal society, yes. Bantu bembali kuburo.
But exposed. Like the church is so vocal in terms of.
Let me ask you.
Yes.
One miss is simply, how do you know that these are local pastor? How can the government know?
I think as the leadership of the church now should help the government.
No, how?
That's why I'm asking. They wanted to come in, but how would they? But me and my brother here. Yes. We work and every one of us sisi tumeitwa kila mmoja.
Yes.
Tokole mereme. Na kero twarangiri wase mereme ya togokora na kero yo mogokora. Li tu emereme itali yago. Mereme itali yane, mereme itali ya serikali. Yes. Igero tigiro monyenda paka li tukuliririo moelio achiche kubeke ngando kando abeke nogo na nogo likano. Serikali itake gocha kototebinga you know in the spiritual realm. Even to go collect you got whoever to understand them, igara we understand the singitare omotugo moika. Lakini obekeli chiko ngana biota ke tota ke rugu muna ko kwana ko sebuna randia to ngati asura ora ira tsikira nature. Eji tika to tika kungaina na government of this country.
Morally.
Yes.
Just adding also even to musomba kwani. abantu batotegerete tali balimu abantu batotegerete mbagwata akiri cyabo
Yes.
mbagwata amawasa abo wakabanyira kero muntu natokwana nkoira bale te apa nkoira bale ngeringa kinya gutoto nganyira musomba otonga nganyira nkomanya bale bono tigangu boli sole limolioka ngakiomorogi akororo gomuntu muntu otaligu obali manso te okwana muntu otabitirisinda muntu yutairiyo gangerwanyu epia in spiritual erusti kunyumba by injeragete yobo saitani kwake mbu moikagete
Yes.
also ato nkie serikali tarachira investigate yabaroki things of the spirit you can't understand you can't regulate God senga mwa mbere koranga nganya sae nga chibesa njire kanisa which is just a perception. Yes. Whether money is in church because God is the owner of silver and gold. You see,
Prophet Nyabuto Nyamora. Kurasa kanisa la synagogue kurujisa mujaki ugoro tugenda ko batugusanga monere meya studio iliyoko ligereria nala yagenda takobaga gukwanirwa somuswado na bwigo ndo Reverend James Mugire kurwagetembe Church of God ngati ya abagwata na bwigo abarai be kanisa tugenda ko batoko ligereria umuswado yo nisabano ligereria as part of registration ko na balenga eligibility of registration of a religious organization ibagota banga. Registration is supported by at least 25 natural persons who profess the same faith. Amisi nje labda lende na ara yule no muika afete ngani tukama tuita murobole gwe kanisa ninje na mwana bantu batatu tuika na nyarebe na yaro chire na banega mwino onde na yaro chire no yo moga iga. Is that a church?
Amisi yes ngati wale bukwe goteba ebukuwe goteba ngase bali babere gose batatu bakurangirie lietaliane na inche nonde gatigati yabo ekanisa na nyasaye igakurigirerie kanisa not because yo bonge bwa abantu in numbers ngantu aba bantu 25 igatagete kurigireria abantu baramo asenyencho yoko kore yentekamo egikere inse yo bunyasaye na ende bagukwane lietaliane ejine kanisa ekanisa etarachaka na endo manyete tati sana takapa babege tawo omontabe atwara abantu 10 15 20 ejine kanisa onyubwate bibara go korana bako bikora na enda akora abantu abo 20 abo bali bantu igota kitaba genda paka 25 bako ba 25 na uranye liko organize no linga yabere kanisa mane ko register what happens ngonyo muntu yo gwata abantu batatu bane batano ne bikone byabero. So that's where those are loopholes. I want to punch gaps in those. We are punching holes on that document. A kanisa na ende registration wao kiango tebia ya misi registration tediko korwa na individual entities muna bono musombara iga kolete registration ye kanisa yaje agakura ji kanisa chirichi operate anda asari tuliko genda na enda chake busiki registration igeraya eyemo bono go chaka na ende ngana ende ba kire branch yako na ende ba register Mungatana is crazy.
Don't you think also the church has failed? Mungatana gocha iga twatebele na chill loop. There's a lot of loopholes here. And I feel strong is also the role of the church to enlighten government na kwerokende kuba ekyo kero koganya kwanya sai ili never grasp this information. So where was the church when Mungatana was drafting this bill?
That's a very good question. When you have said that the church has failed, once or take your words back.
Yes.
Because when you talk about the church has failed, you are simply implying that Christ has failed.
Right. I'm going to understand. Yes.
Because the church belongs to Christ.
Yes.
So Christ can never fail. I've told you, my opening remarks were that whoever the gods want to destroy, they first make him crazy. You see, I'm telling you the truth of God. We don't know what is going to happen next. For sure, for truth, that the church that is being ekanisa yekurwani Kenya, tari kanisa yekurani Kiogoro, tari kanisa Bishop wakorani, ne kanisa ya Nyasaye Kenya ngima. Onyenje kindo munyabibe. Onyenje kikole bikoli. Aba pastor mbali Kenya ba okole bintu byeke. They are being fought. They will report Mungatana to God. We will. So let us not look at an individual who has failed. There is at least one person who Nyasai. So if these people reporting a case Nyasai, you are going to see what is going to happen. And let me tell you the truth. There is no criteria amanya this one is false and this one is true. One of worldly swali mo baninaro. Otabetiu mogambinga kadiyobota nechinsara.
Yes.
Rasainse. Obutaliyo banyana. Ebine bintota tona sokote mantonga lekachire mucho na kanisa Jumapili nobota omotanga karebi kolba kole kanisa, but they were done to the eyes of the educated. Spiritual matters are foolishness.
All right.
Spiritual matters are foolishness. You cannot drink water today and then go so what drink wine and what preach another gospel. Let us remain focused as injili ya Yesu Kristo.
Alright, marako ya wana mwancho mwoligerelia ndoche bolio na mange kegima na wigibirengere bino wakanta kwa mugosanga amona intwe marako ba ya bono na manga kwa nire aso muswado yumugima kulene tuwale tukurusia make makali ya rogati yabo reverend na prophet tuwaligere tukaranga bako tabanga aso muswado inga tubona ntoko bako kurandeli umwana unless wasikilia consent yumwibuli. How do you view that one?
The guy is going quickly on that.
Yes.
Nki was some katana injiri according to mwana yakagacho. I want to still a question nki was kia gachite mukatana nga umwana na randere tibu akamanya yesa kaibobe. You know muti ukunje ungali mbichi. Samaki mkunje angali mbichi. Hata muti you bend the tree when it is young.
Yes.
So huyu mtoto mwenye anakataa sihubiriwe injili mpaka afike 18. Wazazi wengine ni walevi. Mtoto anaweza pata Yesu hapo nje. Mbona unakataa? Mbona unasikia vibaya? Disclaimer. Mtobwate big countries, very huge democracies in the world, and zile countries imeendelea, all of them started with the church. Look at Rome. Look at Rome. Look at Italy. Look at Rome. You know Rome is in Italy, but Rome is a country by itself. But look at that. Look at Italy itself. It is started by the Catholic Church. Catholic Church was a state church. Up to now, Rome as a country, they have a state church. A group Catholic. The richest country in the whole world is Rome. The city is made of gold because of the blessing of God. Catholic Church is not a bad church. I cannot say a Catholic name, but the Pope is the first man to verses and chapters. Are you seeing that? Let us come back to England. England was a superpower. The England also had a state church, which was the Church of England. The Church of England, the Anglican Church, is the state church of England. Let's come to America. In America, the dollar is clearly written, "In God we trust." A simple check on Google will tell you the first textbook in America was the Bible. So why are you, even if the textbook in America, Kenya is not even from the American Constitution. No, Kenya is behind America over 150 years.
Musomba kimani to kwa lenga ne yaso gwenge kekema igoro ya o injili ya batanga ekoba limited unless usike concept yo muiboli nabi mwana la nyala ko baga to so sa muiboli guys.
Omanyete litanga ne kabisa misi. Omwana tali omwana komuligereria ase myaka. But Nyasaye igamanye to muntu kurumuna ba conceive ya senda ya mamu mwabo. Ngano nyene kana to kurandi ndire to kukwanira bako mwana urenda. Right? Tali myaka ya bako takubeka igura. You see now they are naive. Ebintu byo moike bimba konyara kubirora. Omwana to kumukwanira kana arenda yumu ngina mamu mwabo.
Yes.
Na inde tuwa prophesy kalenda ya mamu mwabo. Paka twate banga mamu oyu mwana oyo koiburwa nyarebe na ndo mwana uchakarebo. Bono igura ebako takukwanira ebintu mwana akatwale to moika kale kalenda ya mamu mwabo. So mba te akoba teli ngotu ale myaka geto mwana manya mucho kwanelwa. You know what they are looking at? Anyway, what they should do, the government ya Kenya, tigero eko navigate digikuliaye ase kurwa sense ya moja constitution ya Kenya babekenge karo umuntu akogenda ngonyo umuntu kabwate umuntu ka ekintu gite kyabeire without this or conscious then yantenga wena to gutwara gusingi case kekebe nga kyako eko atam lakini dali ngokurandia ngokurandia libako umwana obere concept obate metyenyebere nda yangina aiweteri ogno moika mamu mwabo kale kanisa kwa kachiko byabo tenga no mwana ko tengarenda bono nditara ndiriti umwana uyu
ni bora sana mwanjo mulinde gutogenda somo tumuko mwenge kigimanto kwira nanto kwanere nsemo yakane part 4 a prophet na reverend inere nsemo iliyo kigima ebwata maberera igoro ya income and returns ndokubolinga gwetera sekanisa yawe inkiogoroka income ingikere returns abiga serikali nependekeza de chinsemo chiria kero kende chokorwewa bagoteba onye nchiri for charity ijinyara ko bachikobekwa asomoroberio bukorusi wa ebango gendra ko bagosanga karagari kyako amona internet live gwetera semitanda ite Facebook YouTube na website ito abo igo gwetera ase namba ya SMS yegenda takoba gekweta ase TV yago niko tokwenda somo timoko tunyara mangana amayase chidega chinge chire moto ndokorana sema ya kabili tera ko batogosanga muno bosomba bomonene igoro ya ebange yandire ko begoponerwa ase umuswada yogenda takoba ukoragwa amono mo Senator Danson Mungatana.
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Bwomogusi.
no mwana w'ekyanga kya mitumba kirajja abana amo n'abantabanire na nigota gitego kinyorageka kyange bono Mama Tefi Mitumba Bells nigo akorobeire sabali entambe asago kireteire gisieri na munwa
no Mama Tefi Mitumba egotogotoka se Imperial Building igero opposite St Jude na ende RBA and Family Bank. Mama Tefi ntubwate bintu mbalimbali bya mitumba buna bono cyanga cyabana ntubwate ci household ntubwate ci wood ntubwate ci jacket ntubwate towels. We have all types of products ci mitumba baka ntubwate bikoro tubone gantu introduce ti bikoro to na some slippers crocs igo toko barangeli munyara ko mogo cha Mama Tefi Mitumba munyara ko mo kwenyorera emisigo ya Canada grade 1 karo wachire Mama Tefi Mitumba ntubwate obosemia ntobanetia baligereri bali siko bali batete gochaka biashara bachicha Mama Tefi Mitumba elinde banyare ko bakonyora oboseminga na kibawanete bachaka biashara bya mitumba inki batakire bakore ko bwate chiri busta na 500 Mama Tefi Mitumba kwanyorere karo batokere number 1 elindo nyare ko bagokwenda na karoki kenyare ko bagego gokonya
atarere imeyumu cy'umusongo ase nyombere ya Imperial eyo jirigeraneti amune nyumba ya St Jude ground floor room number 1 na number 2 akesimina kubeka eoda ya olero Mama Tefi Mitumba Bells
abiro kama Mama Tefi Mitumba Bells ayudo bag maber at a low price bada wewe welcome Wochakia woseko gendrea obonchore bwa mitumba inchumu wa Mama Tefi Mitumba Bells.
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Bwomogusi.
Goroba tuachaka lero mapema kidogo chinsa 12 chiabona goroba tutachaka nengwana yoko ligerelia igoro ya umuswado yokolera igoro ya muncherelio ayara chikoba kone kiwaso ndibwe kanisa onye ebiri yige kugenda aliyoka gwetera ase ebunge ye Senate yasogenda ko kusanga amona abasomba bomone Reverend James Mugire ko Getembe Church of God ndoje Bishop Dennis Nyabuga Jesus Glory Church nyari ko bagukana ime studio nere prophet Nyabuto nyamura ko base kanisa ya Holy Synagogue no bale maiga ye studio asogenda ko kusanga amona barabu chireka chinge chire moto niko tora ko kusanga amona ya make yagenda ko bagwataka ko rachinsemo imena isko yorogongo ruwa gusima igaye kamera na kwale kinga chibi chamune ligicha kuchira senche bwekeno igakora kwa ngeli nchambeli nangoro kwa Jesu fata misi gore nanda seka gitareke na igetambe nyara ko batogusanga muna yanga ki hanyare ko bagwataka Leo mwanchumu ligira toka chaka mayensa ya mokoro se county ya Kisii ni gasentundende umugabano wa county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati nyarakobaga gwesokia na kulie irangana chikobaga koleta uko bwatana ogo ikenu asegesa ku kemogusi ukwana ali tkolia roma igayo ikenu mwigabwa uko mwenia oyo mobwa ababwatani anakola se county ya Kisii Simbanigo atebirenga tabwatigetango kende gyonsi eregyo korambali na wikira nonye county ya Nyamira ile kwendeke bunabala ibonsi banyara ko baba ko gwatana sekere ngayo kwendeke banyara ko baba wikira ne chira cyamagandira cyo banyara ko bakolira abamenyi ba county ya Kisii na Nyamira
kikinde nincho monogerwo mugusi ose ninche bono nkomekshona abantu wetu bakiramu na ndi ninche a deputy party leader ya ODM ebyashara byane nokorra abantu wetu bakiramu twarosirigesa kukyabere moyo namanda aroskurunka ndosi Kisii ndosi Nyamira ndosi Omabe Migori before tutaragenda isko teko baboy okuna kogo sabakwane ngaba MCM okumi ninje muburi mu government mwakanyaribo tojiche tukwane ndole binte byakorre Nyamira mbuguri nanje binaro korre byake Kisii abuguri torosegesa kugeto kabe moyo na kansa yeli ne egweita bwangu chikansa neki nyinge chire kana yeli ni neroro yabasacha prostate cancer yabangine cervical cancer yorobere ekoroku breast cancer na nyempoki yemionero engenjo tokoragira endagira yeito nkogerere ngakitoko menye myake ngani kale no ne bitumekero bya engosme kwa karumonta gesire obeka kiage embenya wake gento gikoro ku moisture yagenda liberera lyagenda amatuka lero ngakimokora moko gesa mwanekera mwalyogo mwabeke buni bwate gendo ke bisakara balibo liberera linara lirigochi nga yamanya korosi esumu ekoroku aflatoxin esumu eline ntindi mono
Raboto roma chumo ligenda tokenda ko batokoro totachi isa tochauna batokoro nyara ko bakoro nyara senchira yobo kiramto ligenda nyara ko bakoro kana skorongo rwabusi nigasentundende omokonyi bomora yigwenseriga degasha gwanyale ko baga bweso kiana ko eleke buna esegi yagendete ko baga korwani bwa amonegati yabarai nigo ebwatakane tenere ko gendera go kwana ekene ko batakana yagendete imeyense ya Kenya ko nitkolera magayo wikana se umunyiga bo masabo ase kanisa ya Kenya Methodist ime county ya Meru nigana ko baga kulira nga ensemo ilinyate ko baga kwe wayo kokarali amuno muri gwense William Ruto natko baga kweneke ngonyale ko baga kwa kora boikenu bati ya boko ruania obwenki na boigo bonyubwa bwa marwali ya tanje iri na boigo usira emerobelio hijabale mi ase boigo nyale ko baga kubuli kanisa gende to baga egenda ko baga ko munyora ase amasabo echinga kegenda to baga wetera makao
hasa ya kuongea ukweli. Mimi zile shida zote unaona nikipitia ni kwa sababu mimi ni mtu ya kusema ukweli. And I did not know that many people have a problem with the truth. So nakuta watu wengi sana wako na shida na mambo ya ukweli. Sasa mimi niliumbwa namna hiyo. Mungu amenifunza na kuniongoza kuwa nikisema ukweli, na kwa hivyo katika harakati za uongozi saa ingine tukisimama na ukweli wengine hawapendi, lakini tutaendelea tu kusimama na ukweli kwa sababu hiyo ndio ile Mungu anataka. Hapa katika Meru tumejaribu sana mambo ya kupigana na pombe na madawa za kulevya because of our children, and there has been great success. Of late nimeona hii pombe imeanza kurudi. I want to ask our security officers to make sure that the gains we have made in the fight against illicit brews and drugs does not go to waste, because it was a big effort. Na watoto wetu hasa vijana walikuwa wamepotelea kwa pombe. Kuna kazi mingi sana tumefanya hapa Meru na kwingineko ya kahawa, majani chai na maziwa, and I really want to thank the people of Meru for being very hardworking. The Meru Dairy Cooperative Society is the best run society in Kenya, na inatoa maziwa mingi sana na kusaidia wakulima. Wanalipa wakulima before the 5th of every month. It is my hope that sanity will prevail. We tone down on politics of division, siasa ya kumalizana, siasa ya furugu. Tufanyie watu ya Kenya kazi, kwa sababu tulichaguliwa miaka 2 peke yake na hatujafanya ile kazi ambayo wananchi wanatarajia tufanye. Tungetaka tuombe tupunguze maneno mingi, zote tushikane, tufanyie Wakenya kazi, kwa sababu hawa Wakenya walituchagua wakiwa na matumaini makubwa sana, na hawakutuchagua tupigane, turumbane, tupanganie, tukue na maneno ambayo hai.
Tukotikana na roboti orwa ya makonye ibo moraibu ya serikali gasha kwa gatoligalia yande ni ko boigo omoraibu kema kya Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka kanyari ko ba gakoye mochia serikali ya sekiria tabire geneta ko bage ko basiekera igati ya babwatani abagera to bagwe sokia na kurwanira obwene bwa mwanya bantu korengana na Kalonzo igatabire serikali ya Kenya Kwanza ni go ya bulirwe goikerania chira cha magendro bagegenda takobage kurigia ebitambero aho herinde tenyara kobage goikerania amaganio ayo digaya kwa nayo itkorera magayo goikerana somo sangerekano bwa masabo inyara go bagokorekana imeya semo ya Kitengela county area Machakos.
Imepata ujasiri pia. Adjudicate on the future of our nation with dedication. We appeared when Jimmy Wanjigi was taken to court. And in fact, in the case of Bob Njagi, tulikuwa naeka Mukunji police station, tukimwangalia mambo, nalikuwa na wakili mwenzangu Eugene Wamalo, and we went there to make sure that Jimmy was not molested and that he was produced in court promptly. It was when he was leaving Kamukunji that he was abducted out of a matatu at Mlolongo. No wonder the guilty are afraid. Bishop, ya nini kuleta police Land Rovers leo Kitengela na Mlolongo? It's a shameful act. This is not the nation that the founders of this country, the forefathers, envisaged. And therefore, they are running away from diversionary. We are looking at this as a diversionary aspect. A government that obviously has failed, and the blame game continuing. Mheshimiwa Mamai, nakushukuru, wewe ni Azimio. I want to suggest mambo ya Kenya Kwanza kule kwa bunge, let them wanyoroshane huko. But because they're going to tell us a lot, we want them to tell us a lot more, so that the country can be free. Lakini msio watu patiwa shilingi 100,000 unaweka sahihi.
Aiboiga banyara ko bagikirana se omo sangerekano yugo masabono morai gwekia makiria GP Kenya yujini wa malwa yote bile bagendrete ko yesuguma serikali ko ba obosi bole igati ya bali bagendere ko baba kubekwa ACBC bakolengana na ligate bile ne ko bakoligia timu engima yo kwegera lichi ko nabo igomba chiko bakolekya abajare ko baba boska anenegochia asekegambero kelia kiorogongo rwa Afrika nekelia giense engima yo kwelekya buna bonsi bali babwatire batabati amamocho banyare ko bakonyera bosi bali
High Court here, E42 of 2023. Our lawyer Paul Ndungu has been to court, Paul Mwangi. We had mentioned last month, and we will be going back to court in November to follow up for justice for the 75 victims of police brutality of the Finance Bill 2020. Finance Bill before was even worse. That's when our young people, the Gen Zs, came out. Over 60 were killed. Very many have been abducted. Families can't. And we do remember when Jagi and his disappeared. The police denied that they did not have them. It's until the IG or police acting IG, Masengeli, was taken to court on the day that he was to be sent to prison that these young people were released. Some were dumped in Kiambu, others elsewhere. And we do also recall the young president of the School of Law, Okayo. His Excellency Kalonzo led us to a meeting with his family. He was also abducted in a similar manner. Apart from the Nyayo chamber tortures that were closed, the police have created a tone to pursue this matter, not just in our courts here, of efforts to get justice for families here. We are also in the process of pursuing this matter internationally. And we did, through our lawyer Paul Mwangi, commence proceedings at the ICC. And we will be pursuing this matter both locally and globally. Because, as His Excellency has said, human rights are universal. And we will...
Najero monjo moli giranya kero mo sumari gabo amaya senchire bwekerone sa eyamo yabona mogoro banyona nandito bera namana chinsa isato chobona botukonya ko bagingo kumanya haya mana yanda manke tokene to ko bwatire kurwase emesa ito yamaya ko baterna amana waliki baito bamana amaya ngorana na sense moya kabere tokene ko batuko sanga amona bageni baito imeye studio tokene to ko batuko panela Goroyo Moswada hoyora chikoba wakwenekia buna oboteneri bwa chikanisa banyara koba ise ya serikali. Reverend James Mugire Bishop Dennis Nyabuga banyara koba ukireme studio na Prophet Nyabuto Nyamora no balegega amona intwe bagenda koba bagutumanye na gusanga amona intwe togenda leto skali barantore aseka gitarigita.
Ndizi TV Obwansu Bwomogusi Kwekera bono ayebunu mwagachi kwa manyire eduka okugenda kujya ibintu byose biri gukorera imirimo yawo Osmo Traders Limited nigo babwate kitali cyo kwaranse ase nyumba yawo nabo igogobeka sinyasi bune babu egikoni living room nabo igo ekikobe kwesiko babwate sanitary wares ubuna chising chibakuricheze cyo cyonsi showers towel holders soap dishes racks mirrors na hand basins chirangi cyonsi kiriya kikuburukanibwa ne computer nabo igo kiriche spray paints no chire babwate keyboard ubuna chips and boards MDF boards na chip boards ebinto au byo gukora plumbing buna PVC joints, PVC pipes, na chi water taps chonsi, no chire. Boigo, na bokugura chi curtain rods, hood screws, chigulu chonsi, door locks, chi pipe wrench spanners, screwdrivers, banyore, old Sansura building, angena Kisi main bus stage, gusua Kisimi, ase namba, enotisano nebire, eye mokianda, inyeisano, enotinye, inyeisano nemo. Osmo Traders Limited. Customer satisfaction guaranteed.
Welcome to Luther Park International School. We have started.
Luther Park International School ni skuru y'echinse chamaiko iyo yachagitwe ne University ya Cambridge asere gwetanya chinse emiyemo na 50 amasomo ye nigakotiri umwana na komwali bagali igiyeli kwirwanira asiti sector ao imeyense niko babwate birasiye uchakirekirija year 1 wika year 4 asibabwate bintu byokosomera bisaine unabono chikompyuta echo chikuru masomo yekerero na mwigo mbabwate laboratory yekerero yani science laboratory niko babwate biruko byo kwikaransa bisaine bya baroki waba year 2 wika year 4 mbabwate bintu byokobugya muziki unabono guitar, drum sets, keyboard, egatie binde nikubabwate asaga ya asabana bakoragirira nabwigo nabalimu umwana wosoma ase skuru ye natwarubuya wikwibwatanya ase chigosoli unabono skating wako pali wako mupira bw'amaguru wika karate mbabwate stadium mwenene asabana bakogosoli chigosoli nabwigo usire byego byabana ale nayo umwana gunigare bwatanya munebirabo unabono kiriya drama na music kiriya debate club journalism scouts egatie binde nigo baguchaka kwarigania abana guchakira emyaka 2 amaliganyo yani admission nigo egenderete nigo bagutuka asebara ya Kisumu Migori Junction hamwe n'inyagitari ya Busungo wigo nabo kubonyera gwitras kinamba cyabo inoti 72 cyanda eyemo 72 cyanda inye isanemo wose inoti 72 ibere isanemo eyemo ibere isano.
At Luther Park International School, we don't just have teachers, but facilitators of education who are highly competent and very qualified.
Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'umugusi.
Let me send somebody to pick you.
Alright, mwanchumu ligerelia maigayo gukora amaya ayo ense ya moya bono mugoroba bagendi bane babira batwerero kigima no baisara setegaiga ikirengeke na gyoko bari galiga no gusanga munayo mwanchumu ligerele kirokende bari bagenda tukaba gutobolia nga inki ike kirokende kere aso muswada oyo oligerete kwerekea buna obuterwe chikanisa bonyere ko bokorerwa amonjolio egeko garatole nabasomba bo munenege ga kutogenda ko batogosanga nabarabwo aberanyale kandi buna intoba yanito twara obumanyi gochime mono igoro yo muswada oyo Reverend James Mugire Bishop Dennis Nyabuga nabigo Prophet Nyabuto Nyamora no bali maiga ase studio togenda ko batogosanga twensi aso gwa mekerengere kiabone libori byago lirabe liengencho kigimenyero muswada oyo nigo gendere ko bago sugumwa amono mo senator Otana River Danson Mugatana sekenga kiriya oteba nigo chikanise korogana cyanya ko bakigutwara obosi bole mono kigima nabo igo emerobeli akero kende ye kogenda mamincha nerichiko lya serikali taliko nyara ko bagiye gukirani basikari batanganiko abange bebisete me kanisa bakomyukiwa batama uchikanise bataba no bale kolengana naye nyigagoteba kolengana kirikenya tukobe kolekana asensemo elia ya shakaola yo kenya tukoba gerkoba efunzo ose ekigere kigima nabotebanga nigo bono ekanisa genda tukoba ageko enekianganero nyere kobe ko ise yo boterendwa serikali tutaragenda asamaya nigo twale bwatabagenda babere kolende mestudio moche Bishop Dennis Nyabuga karibu sana Ndizi TV igereye kamera yuko ni mwanchumu ligere na ndomwali na sijirubika
omwana yesa bakwe nagokere ko bayiga Ndizi TV ndiye mumusumbu yasaye amisi sega singel mokora twanchire kokorera omonene mbiya muno tyondo omonene abase.
Alright niba sa Prophet Nyamura totagenda somo tumukontwali ligoro ya ukwelikia twatebanga ekanisa bekwelikia erenyene tali rasmi nyara ko bigosumwa mone serikali lakini bona serikali ya redi ya ndebrenga yaya naonya bali bona batara umuhimu bwo kwelikia is high time beboki elina barabanya ko bagosa somo bwo kwelikia
nekerengera likia ase serikali kotaka abantu belikie bali bakwanda ji babwate kanisa talimo kwelika bono kwagera batika kolepe it is good to obey the law of the land.
Right.
Na beko monto oraibro mwana ogo igaro mokanya kaibwere Kenya aro mugusi. Kabwate kibande taringa ibono gabo mokanya saidi. Ekibande noko okogera Kenya ibara bantu emanya ku budget le bantao. So okweli kabwechi kanisa I will support it because tindo jinga ikiongo finyira kole kanisa ntirendeons. So I don't think it is a bad idea.
All right. Reverend James,
Yes.
to taragenda bwa somo timo kona gali to kwandenga rokende. How does the church come? How does the government come in? Oregirete mwana ye kanisa, for example, usigo bagota. Bategete bakore no nye uchunguzi gete na bintu binde bire bitatu. Go bagota batenesi ko barangarenga yi Reverend James yale omo salina role maigwa se kanisa kusengera tutegete toro tote magwa se kanisa. Tegete to kwa namu nera kuseba ko jabasa ibaliyo.
Amisi. Nimo tegete kuligio omo salione. Nomo ne kanisa ikolia abasali barase serikali uzene serikali ikuligia abasali barase kanisa
akoli ngino muswada yota ngaba abasali barase kanisa yona bakuli ne serikali
bono tigante beiga kanisa no nyumba yo botamero
yes
bwakero yomo nonye bali barase serikali bali bakolile bibe no babo cha kanisa akarogo cha serikali okuligio muntu it should not even be documented na kina cha kirito kokwana ekiagere government nebwate the law of the land nebwate ncherego diria nebintu bikogenda mamincha y'abantu lichiko kose abantu baye no muntu naru ali atamagende kanisa it remains to be the same person. If this is a criminal, it remains to be a criminal who can be accused in the court of law within a country based as lichiko liense. Have understood? All right. Ekrage ndi kanisa tachietio ngagesi byobo muja ekanise mubwati kolengana na kiri akora kiri kibi ne government yetu ya Kenya yeteta ko understand uzeta nya ko kora nkumeti sana yani nkumeti yo kumyo kora inga barabu ko batagete woche kanisa lakini kanisa nya kwa ni ligoro y'abantu barase serikali ne bibe bakolere ne bintu bya bire bikomu bangira hotegerera intune senje totabwatsa kiri interpretation chikoboya nga kibali gere libarora ubukwe kana bateba ngari tanga ni utararusia umukoro tose urase risori umuntu ni kararusi gentege sinini kerasuri nga kibarora bali gere libagenda pake kanisa beba manyanga kanisa is not a composition of criminals. But I want to speak this without any fear of contradiction. Government yetu ya Kenya ya fail kuisaransa na kokole bintu kuna serikali ekora abantu taketengo tebirero abantu okorre kanisa imetali oba iburu atali oba menyete atali oba kobera. These are the people from a country, from a government yelituko ingonyo mirimo ya chakire gusareka igesarekire tisikali ase serikali eko chi kanisa bono twabero iko twacha gusabanga kendi ankoro goso muntu yo nabe moyo tigatosabe gose na unjoke elinda chiko konya iskali. Lakini what we are witnessing, it is the decay of the government of the day. Secondly, and I'm sorry to tell you this, amangana kurwe serikali yetu tule nero emyaka emekego yaitire twarorire bintu bigokorekana bitari biya na inde bintu bigokorekana from all angles ora akagenge bintu bya sikire twengoro imu muntu naro bimanyete bono nari atagete ko birosi akore ndike abirosi bigwanera Kenya injonda gete goteba iga in advance oburai bwense bwa failure korigereria na communitor miswada kiegocha erabe palatable with the citizens of this country etaliko go against the will of the people elinde manya koletwa igonda getenga trace ya serikali jok kwanza starting from the top leadership of this country by saransa bale kanamo acha go supervise a serikali ya yebuja amanya miswada kiegocha and why ekoletwa se chibu.
All right. Bishop.
Yes.
Asomoro bili obe meswada yonsi abugata kanende ne katiba ngotabalengo karabare amangana kurokonga public participation. Nakero kenda asomo swada olengete obodalwe chikanisa inweni gomole stakeholders. Semaiti was at one point ingana mne ya tete asobo kale bwago na ukabwato kekangerekya.
Yeah. Amisi birombiyo. Na nyore tonde gagontebia weterase esimi oseseli rube osekende lyonsi inga linga ne lingo chalire na inje ndio birengera libyane etwali nyore teliro na intu tukumeki wono toligere naki aba balirete tena kibalirete.
Yes.
Because constitutionally una whatever ndia bwanete kwetesa abarandi na bali ba barengereti ngandinganeri lirigererigwe torwa mangana ito ayuara anyale gotokonya no ana aliya birenga libito na biro bibekwo lakini no yomo useba bere bali bachiete bakaikaranza bakaliroza kuna bategete likabagwenera bakalieti.
Alright. Yabona sana mancho moligire sange kerengeri kyago amo na intwe marogo baya bono ngero kenda yengwa yaze ko boike tiko boliti prophetos ina era nalikanenga abo apende tisigine cha yabo aswa maoni kubatoka ebirengeri byao atima kitwensi asogwamo andoje bishop gwero kandi temo ikereti did you just at one point maybe or contribute whether as ebirengeri byaga somo swali
muntu tayone ko mbolia etandikire message osanga aggressive wose kwa njia yoyote ya kuuliza mtu anapoboliwa na anapoboliwa kanisa ni wanyonge na mnyonge ana haki
ibona sana tukone nango igoro ya ensemeri ya gatano na limo iyo kirogenere kwa tamagerera iyo kwa na magana ya income and returns nchaka mna profit how do you build your church?
First of all, how do we build our church? The church is built by the grace. Yes. Income and returns. Maybe moralia misi not the care of our or registered churches. We to returns to the government. We take returns and we take it in terms of money to the government every end of the year.
Yes.
Number two, the income of the church. That is one thing to understand. Young about the income of the church. When you are on your mungatana, no, the ones are ring a cancer biasara.
Yes.
Be take a king of a country by Biasari. But the Bible is market you can one on to what task is down. The what in a neighbor was nevers. There Tago Jebule Kansan, the common pastor Sakolik, Osaria Pasta Bali Bakuli, Babalike, Marabai, which was a chair or Subricans as an angel. You cannot tell the church what we get from the profit. The church is not for profit. I can tell you, you unless you become a pastor, but you never go now because in Trokorandiam our ministry is independent. There is no pastor in Kenya or at Natavanga is earning from the church and the money from members shall make you very rich. Never. So, when we talk about the income, then it means the church is also making money. The church is not making money. The church is free labor. Abasirika bakoyofanga ngo gatokale kanisa twachangire twagorera matabole. Kwa re kanisa yakire mbio asengenje batabasirika 100. Bacha baru free labor. Oyo moya bayira bari bakwagacha ikanisa nebwata chi mason ikanisa nebwata abantu bakwereri abangi nabande turi kugora match bandi roche baleta match endagera abafundi bakoli turi kugora abayashirika bayo barosili chibundi endagera ntobwata paka bune kanisa ya PH etayo gayi but ne kanisa ya nasa ebwata borandi chikanisa chinge chibwata borandi pake ya asenkora borandi boro abasirika bakoya baletro murandi mabere baletro murandi bokimakoli. So the income here can say there's nothing like church income. What we get is just offering yeriye kuruwe. Taliye kuruwe selimu pastor amwete ruwe.
Yes.
Esenge cheri kirinde babanga don't allow them come to me empty-handed.
Right.
Because ye kanisa abantu gwetokora strange. Monto kyora ndoka banacho sabaka banachibazanga nanga kwanya fyango cheri asirete. So the church, the small money mokora chikuru wekanisa. God has a way to multiply. Unless somebody else may be more morally. If you ever tell one of the Megaterian, every nation Suissa is a Nyasaga to multiply. So when God is multiplying whatever you see in the church, it is not the actual thing that was brought, it is the act of the miraculous power of God.
Bienvenido sana Reverend asomo swado yo ndo chiklosi njiro chikuone detenga gatia ebilia serikali taka tuchiko tax. For example, ebilia bitali korro kana ngadi kwa no mangana charity. Twara chikanisa njiro chile very well established. Chiaga chile no chibwato organization chiaga chile no apartment, they getting some income. Njiro ro chiko run some business here that they collect some profit. I think this is what the government is also targeting. Mochando no rekere serikali yekurusie bango ebidoble.
Kulingana no korora gwe serikali ige serikali ekororanga income nerase kanisa lakini kanisa antu ntubwate gintu tukuruka income egintu tubwate gikuruka operational funds chibesa chichigo tokonya gokora emiroberio n'emiroberio yetokora neye kanisa emiroberio monene amisi egente getangani ntagiturigererie na enda serikali emanye nekeiga egasi kanisa nenki as a society emirimo ya neri ekara babwatira abantu babere chronic criminals barure maria ebakubaira maria abande baruwa baba pastor abande basaburukia bangogokogenda gende kanisa next naya egokonya gokora gintu kieke in character formation. Yes, ekanisa agebwate role go play as a society is so critical, lakini government yeli tuko tebwati donation chinde korusio yae ekanisa omuntu uri umushahara oye oba taxed number 1 omuntu ni ritoko oba taxed omuntu ni yango oba taxed omanya kuruororo oira na goche kanisa the same person otebati nkogende nyumba ya tata kinde bosa tigangire chishiringi 10 chikonya kogendera liendo kire ire kanisa erindo mo basto yoro abakori emirimo bari baro bakogera emirimo byegendera tokonye serikali tokore nonye nobuke bagoboro erinde kanisa yagendera pesa kitobwato gotagototebi ututagisi chisiringi chikomi mongina akoreta nemerongo ebire tubegete tokogendererie program chikogera twabeke gari amaguta twaikira twachikorera omonto okure twachigotinde ko mushirika twabekere crusade asigeta asenge tutageta abantu baigumba achakoba eserikali tware gasingija ase kanisere nde jonsi pya ase kanise bwete omugambi oroga gogotebi ngabo mbwate gasi enyororo ngogo twakana. All right.
Yes, Umurali. You see, the government is not being sincere. The government is being tigabata beka nenki patagete. Umaito muntu tete wasali mokae na bakore gichi bintara mubekerere amoseri. So the government come out clear. Biasara mbie bira akorunse yelioba bigotoka Kenya bitari ko taxed.
Yes.
Onye ne kanisa yagachire echombe chbatanga apartments. Es kanisa na process meet. Gote simiti tokora kureduka. Eduka itokora ko yaba tax to kurwaro. Nkibona kyabo mochando. Onye ne kanisa ko parity school. Kanisa ne ro parity school. It was registered by the government of Kenya. When we were registering, did we not pay the tax in that registration? You see, the kanisa serikali come out genuine get banki target.
Yes.
If any kanisa what apartments, number sen kuruntu what apartment lakini tu what nyumba toza simbe. To what estima? Are we not paying electricity? We are paying water. We are paying electricity. So the church is also paying taxes in that way already.
Alright, nanega kwa buna kefa osoro kujisemo cha South Mugrango. Otababuna onye bona serikali ge tagete go taxi ekanisa tigabo igo ebeke chikanisa asomoroberio olia bogo benefit kurwa ase omoroberio ekiganja kelia CDF. Masomba wana langengane I think oro morigerio yo mwana ro gwatokere kare
o iyo kwani ramaya na endo una bo mwani because una bono to kwana iga political parties mbaye to over 800 million bago chikobagana baraguo okoba yoko na okora siasa yabo lakini kanisa runa atebire tebwati CDF na enda mundo korukungo randi akeli I don't know nga ninki lakini tima Kenya yoka
Kenya.
You know, you just go to the bank, my brother. Na nje no morandi. There is no bank which can give you even a loan. You are a pastor. No. So omorandia ebintu bago teba igoro yesadaka ne fungo. Ne bintu biuna abaminto batebire. We run these small churches. Chikanise echi nchibwatenge enchiraba akokore ebintu. Ngwaka na chire bills na boigo chikanise echi nko agacha chire ama agacha alia okora to watch to chiko agacha ugali una wono my brother Missy we are trying to build that man but I have not seen one politician ogocho or say anybody and every time na wotoko batenga ninjo abande baita toje so it is those members ba wanili talk ba wanili what to agore smith to agora chituma.
Yes.
Elito agache ekanisa yomonene guna bishop ateba elia abantu aba bakire ime abande bakonye kire bakabagambe bagotana oyero mwana uyu musabe mukonye muno uyu no muibi onchandire sana lakini yazao mukonye tu. So actually the church egasiye gokora ningiya naende gokonye imbo yopi ekanisa ekonyora kubese serikali buna prophet ateba ngoira to the returns every year we can register the ministry ogendoro or your money there. And there are so many things that we contribute to. So we don't see any reason more unless they have some hidden agendas.
Alright, prophet. You'll be subjected to be paying a fine around 5 million. Onye gokurwa eira yo gusabira umushiriki abuyene onye takubuyana na bato gusubore gukira na seki gambero inara ko gusibwa gusobe fine ya 5 million. Are you ready to do that, prophet?
Bono ntu tirabate ngamba tekisa because it took on bili.
Yes.
Tara de bantu ngantu nto tobasabire mo gwena. Intu nto kwate birengereri una to kugamba ira gustiranye kwanirinji. Nimbwate birengero byo gusabira abantu banke sana bagwena bakebire meme uko bakabali bakwete. In fact moda tromanto kwete bakanta eme kumusabira nyasaye muboki because the Bible says na with that faith no muntu kweta akuboka. So I will still do that. The question is this. Inkieko kana mwata mu pastor erabu atu asengenjere are umuliri gosata kwati uweso. Osesa oliyere mumuroche na baliri bali nande mbako nyara wetete asengenjo we have doctors equally. Pero kwa mnyakitali uchi kubitwe sindani wate butuwa kubitwe sindani ya isato wakugwa na piyobe moyo abantu bakure nyakitali nande kwa nyori nyakitali yuge wate moche abatali kanisa etabu wate moche intwe kanisa we believe in fitting uikogwen nyakitali ya wate moche ingi mtari kwa tirama nyakitali ngamba wani timbaru pete timondo sindani usempa mweti kiyo goli ramugwe.
Yes.
Pero tokwa nyakitali do you go to the hospital with the hope of dying? No, you go nyakitali watenga will try our best. What would I work with? Two, what have they done to the weatherman? About Tangazin Motanga Saga credit to go on, yes, Savan, Tono, Gianda Kupan, Mukurimere, Moramoting and Buramutur Mami. Ekete to Mambi also make it to me. Yes, and I was swearing when now said as a car you, and never weatherman you, now was swearing by the furniture best. So let us not be let us be equal to equality one.
Right. Marago bano mancho mori gereria abasomba no barege game studio bagenda ko bago tobo semya igoroye ngana eye nyarate ko baye kulimokia amabirira bangi babwatani anena barayi bechikanisa aho bigo bagenda mo bagweso kimya Kenya ngima bago taba bali ko baba kona no koboko umoswada uyase batebiri ko kogenda mamenja amuno goteneli wechikanisa nageko gara to bwate abageni baite marago baye bono Lindana koba atogo kwana amona barabinoje Bishop Nyanuga nero likire message yagaiga hagoteba buna hello inserioba wetera elietaria Yesu biyeye yagura elietaria Yesu abanyane biri no mwika okoro kuzimu.
Wetera mo president
yes. Yona ari goteba iga amizi.
Yes gabe.
Number 1 ekana goteba nga ebili ye isagweta. Omanyete ntuntuliko pingana na serikali asa mangana yeke mubere.
Yes.
Tuliko pima na chingu. Lakini ntagetengira nali chikolia serikali bunaligo teba. Inga kunyumotara itige ntokende yonse bunekega okoliga ntokoroka public participation.
Yes.
Public participation inga iba irete bagakorera. Ma toletere chikanisa chili batagete kwa affect. Elinde to baitele to batele ngambi ya mule bono tokenda motoligulate. They did. Gento kende ya kabeli. Ekero chikanisa echicha ekero eserikali etagete gocha ime na gotanga kuligirira chikanisa.
Yes.
Okuligirira kanisa machine kibabwata bago chigopimera amanyange eyembuyere neyembobere. Muno yo mintate ba prophet. Igate ona ninkirenda banyagitari batarabwatirwa. Bali bako bitu monte sindani na endokwa. Nobona nimbwato mwana wakwete marani aliyo beta ICU tani oluru mwana. Omwana oyo iga gabeta sama bako yabanyagitari tomanye tengambo yabatembe. Almost intuna okwege na waito tokobeka na masabato abekiro monta gwene. Na igobata getoko ometa mangana yo muikata li mechanical. orocha misi omoralia amangana yumo itatali mechanical tuko ya rana maisa kawaida na wewe to kubega lichiko lya kawaida yani utake toko tebunga Kenya onye gitagite eligereria amangana ye kanisa etige kanisa yeri yoka using ya amangana aye na document cha na constitution chale aya ndabatigere nyasaye lakini go isaransa ngabona ngo tabana ndo bapime tolera ngo sabero muntu tawena.
They should stop catwalk. The you catwalk. They should stop that.
Bishop, akirokene tuwarorire ase chikanisa ao.
Yes.
Abo go kirokene batanga members bakoba exploited. Wetera asoko migwa asoko rona bintu binde. Akirokene batabanga sengenjurende babuate okwegena kolinga yaya. We being told the right thing. Kwani rabangi banyana kwa bagoso igwase obosali ngo kwanenga neye nande reverend na prophet ntogo tukutera ngana ya tukobe kolekana shakawa bali na bakenya baringi kirokende me yabo they were very innocent oyi babwate tibarutenga no morai kirokende na rongo tenirwe kanisa yabo okobara the right place but finally pakatoka ngabanyana kwa bagoso igwa ase obosiru na kirenda bashiriki buna bakirokende tabera atangatari ya shakaura yoka shakaura chinde njiro chigendrete. How do the government wose kanisa yenye nyale ko bagego kombo abantu bunaba basweta sumurungu bose Bishop
nama eno musomamisi na ntagete ko igerera nga bintu bune bimbiri ko kolekana ikiara mbi bya kolekana ande bya rorekana akini bona gusiga ntubwate a group ya barandi ntubwate pastors and clergy forum.
Yes.
Iga gusi twatebiri abarandi ba into onspi banyale ku register nkero be register oro nko kana tole chikaniseji buna wono mutinyo gatano igo to goncho kana gusiengima etago guchia kenyenya masaba all over to kuligere to kwana na barandia baliyo konyoranga bali bamincha na barandia. I believe ngaga abuna bono ga shakaora there was engineer abagambi bagali ba feeling ekiagara se kenyoro buna gaji sengorani ntobwato motuleti ntobwate paka nyumba 10 ntobwate omochigo musabchi all these people are there babugane te koligere na ki ekende kaniseria na ki abantu bagosie kerugaria batana gosoka inki bago korama. Today we had chigo ito na chikansa. Oja wato tebi goro ya sha.
Yes.
Toko rugono NHI toche sha. So they are allowed to come. Why did they give all this time? Kiagare kanise kere se kenyoro. Ne bana bagambi abuna abantu bande ngo chabaro. So again ke talinga ngane kanisa yoka buna bono toko na wote bana shaka ora. Again to kerigo kibwate system ngane. N'abantu abange barenge involved asobo salibolia buharoreka nitegani lakini kanisa kereze kenyo unabona gaiga kusita de bata yumusumba umuralia amisi chikanisa chicheto unatoka endelete iga ni ma the prophet Isakurandi.
Yes,
I've gone there severally. Ni ma the bishop Isakurandi town ya no to come every time na ma the Isakurandi. So in tutue kabanyene we are able to regulate ourselves.
Right.
Na karoto arengo yo monaro kogenda maminji. Through the leadership na our chairman Oyuri Kaga Kunyanuga.
Yes.
They have all the powers. They actually now got a direct line to commissioner, the commander. He calls them every time. Na wako wadengo yere una toroji ndoka nitiobo koni kwenu. And every time they have assisted.
All right. Bienvenido sana rega kurobeli jama kuli kurotise mochakera PhD. Awote baba ndo bamentense ya tindire yawe awotanga kanisa yana kurusigo bango kurubokoro yebono ne serikali ya tindire. All right. Tega ne asole prophet ase obwenye kigima. What do you think? Ngayo bwa matogono bosarekere because twatebere ngana bokoranga ne serikali kale kurwanye kanisa. Whereas the church messed wikera ekerengo bone serikali kale gotenda mamicha ya ekanisa.
I think Omuralia just one thing kwana sobwene. I don't think in kanisa name stay andonsi. On the contrary, I think the church is standing on its ground.
Yes.
The issue ya Shakaola, Shakaola to one to one kanisa too much once to come. because no nyama kens na tata limo pastor atata kwenye motikira ku pastor kwenye pako or register kanisa yae. So we should even be asking a government yeta get to play catwalk with us. A government is just trying kolie engerera ego to divert because we are paying taxes. We should be asking the government serious questions. Where were they? Ntugwato mo chief in that area. Ntugwato mo chief in that area buno mo bishop Nyambegera kwandire or chief nero. Forget about the chief. We have assistant chief.
Yes.
What do you mean? Stop playing catwalk. Wasifikiri kwamba hatuna mambo tunaweza ongea na wachunge sana. Wametishwa na Gen Z. Gen Z waliwatisha wakainua mikono juu. Mpaka wakaitana watu wengi wasifikiri hatujui. Sisi ni hatari kuliko Gen Z. Gen Z walienda kwa barabara. Wachunge sana, sisi tutaenda na miguu. Hii magoti yetu tutaandamana. Watu watakuwa wandawasimu, watakula nyasi. Wacha nimalize kitu. Unajua sijamaliza. Sasa hii mambo ya Shakahola, hii kitu yote. Tutabolinga ya basikali balinga. Tutatumanya kia serikali yeiga ya sole Illuminati. Tukubole real questions. Nyama tokole dialogue. We have brains nkona ngeritore. Serikali tunyebolinga ki emwa soire Illuminati nebyombe birunga Freemason because inumwa chitokororokana serikali yetigete gotumeka Shakahola karabarura abantu baite sacrifice. We will now talk. Ase ngenjo ngaye chibuyero yali. Ngaye sabchibu yali. Ngaye maofisa wa upelelezi bali. Ngai kase ngenjo mokotanga serikali iko na mkono mrefu. Mkono yenu ni mrefu wakati watu 1000 wanakufa. Mmoja alikufa, 2 akakufa, 3 akakufa. Kwani hapo ni Kenya? Yung Kenya banteli byamba kupo asenga ncho monto yo onde tayo leko kwana ngabantu umeta banteli bu o morali bete no mpara iga awata bantu chiri kukomi bete.
Yes.
So ngai serikali yale tige serikali tabenga ki eba akolete gose body parts trafficking ngotrenga pinto chi kwenda kwani guchire
sistema chembe
kwani guchire eba nekose ba akolete bakaira India bakachiko abantu India ko transplant injiro. So we should even be told the truth. Bona imwa barali want to find out.
All right. So
mokoro mutukubene motorete hata waisute toko pole serikali yeyu anako bastaka turasina sana.
All right. Tumebona sana ndegete ngobole reverend igoro ya asonswalo no kwalete igoro ya amasaka. Yani umurandi ode kwasira dokora. Ikanisa wika etere umurobiri ulia wogo twara amaigerio wetera seskuru yoborandia amaigerio ya theology. Do you agree?
Again the serikali lakini hapo tebinga serikali getindete kende ngiri manyite kya umuntu gochaka kurandia again tongkerege gochege tangani ne ya kabere ne ya gatatu ne ya kane yagendera. Number 1 kanisa gochaka ko murande tali mere mokori go produce a document. Again tutugwatege tangani no gotwaro kurangirirwa
right.
Ni muito omuntu karangiriwe ochakembero no muntu kararangirwa rabo no tokonyorera abantu abandi bako bachi prophet abantu bandi baba bateri abantu bandi baba pastor abantu bandi baba evangelist emere munyasa kubekazi bali lakini asengenjo yogotaka ngemere meje banye perfect buya abandi barwo bagende sukuru kolengana munugwanja kwabo kole lakini the primary reason dalinga kobo murandi nga goikogende sukuru it is not abu they are getting it wrong. Point number 2 amisi tulio mogani Kenya omenyete amisi bakachakanga Kenya ye gotanya gotageta kobe member of county assembly otware at least a degree gokogenda bunge otware degree osotware masters ebinde konya korabi gokale mirebe bakaminyoka bakasalikire gento bakaroskire gento bakakora barabuba ire ni lebone kani ekanisa kwa sababu kuna prophet yateba kanisa ni yawanyonge Tell prophet, we are not taking it rightly. We are not taking it rightly. Na indeba manyanga this is a time bomb babekire. Munabono chitali kikomi na inye October 2024. Aba kusibonsi pe all the pastors. Baumira nege tembesi oji. Tuabekire bono to kumira nege tembesi oji. Specifically amasawasi nje document ye. And it is going to go nationwide. Abantu bako soko bako chaka ko sabadingulin ebe ko be tsunami. Alright. Ni baroni tsunami yemwala ko ya raida. Itakuwa so itakuwa ni tsunami. So we have started.
Yes.
Again take we are not looking at it linda bantu barona ngato kebeyete torochinga kanisa banga bantu they cannot regulate us. Ere serikali manye ko chakira lero. na inde manya kururi ya develop tie document ye no mubisori o develop tie document ye uri umurwaire obongo ekyagara tari moyo na murarore ko konya kugenda murenga moyo ari lakini ga kweteri tukuriri atake tukogenda against the will of God for develop again. All right, Bishop, what degree ose ngati
bono degree mbia bakoboria naende arama ene amisi abantu tikabasome abantu tikabagende skuru lakini buna bishop atengire oboranje no kurangiri people have gone theology engaro tokogenda gusoma abantu bakire n'amasakarari babikire nyuma abarandia basomire n'abande mbaro basomete gwetani bali tokurandi bono lakini okurangirirwa no gukore gasi yasegeti okoirwa kwabekwa gose kwato mugose ne ogoterunga igendo chake kanisa nse yo motori erika orandiri umuntu oyo orandiri abantu abapaka banje bamwegende Yesu nayo mojo erorekane ngabone kanisa yarorekane it's not 1+1. So oko amasakara no kurangirirwa ekine geteke yao neserekali abandi abagara batebeti kubuna mu bishop ateba abandi siyengero batebeti abandi bamujagate everywhere bako na school week moja bakora amasakara bakora. We don't want to do that.
All right,
yes
bimara sana
guru the Bible
guru Kenya yanyorete obosi golechi president chia etire asetayo chia kubeka okurusi wa ebango wechi kanisa yani Kenya yaito yatindire. Right, kaliti litari ya kwende kenga kyae ni kwa bagego ikena igaiga. Is it a awakening call? Kende Reverend nakwana kainga bono, you know, is the church okoranga bono yabere macho. At some point were we at slumber? Now what do you think kanisa wale kwenda kwa okara uchimoto?
You know, we ntwe kanisa n'abantu tole tolerant. Turatwara bintu tuli kwa street tutoka at parliament atochwete umuswada. What the bishop simply meant thinking abono tumejua na tutawashtaki kwa parliament yetu. Hatukutaka kuwashtaki, tulitaka tuwache kwa maana sisi tunakaa na wachawi na watu wazuri pamoja. Bwana tutawashtaki. Number 2 kanisa bono gotara tutokole bintu bikomu kimoika. Kwa bodi so de yase bishop nyandagera okwena ni biasa moralia na balimbande bategerera.
Yes.
Igakoboli ngaki masomo namaya. Lakini injirata komenta hiyo. Yesu mbuonga someta. You see, pastor once wara onye ndito kwa na ngata someti na ngeke akabangu etate atuli. Lakini bono epati embego sengia bishop wote na wote degree.
Yes.
I can tell you Bishop Mugire Gaiga, if you didn't know, they have the best theological school. And there is a doctor. Now there is a doctor.
Yes.
And then to clarify this matter, I've done a whole translation in Bible myself, from English to original Hebrew. I'm a linguist, trained in Kenya as a linguist. So, we have gone to school, but it is not biblical. Who is the founder of the church? The founder in Jesus Christ. Let us follow his example. Ondegwensi obeire kanisa. Otegaire lingana. Ondegwensi obeire kanisa. Otegaire lingana. Webundisire lingana. Owate ukogosoma is eligible to become a servant of God. Paul was just a lawyer, but he is the best in the Bible. He has written over 3/4 of the New Testament. A lawyer, he was not even a theologian. Theology. That just look at Peter. Peter kwanza na mweka nyuma garo ole kisoma hata okuruba chinsu. Because he was just a fisherman. That is the only thing he knew.
Yes.
God called him. Tumeotanga ki Petero na Yohana wakanyorekere ma. These are people, but when they did big miracles, fishermen, no education. So we cannot. I'm not supporting Abasab. But and they're doing good work. So we cannot come here to tell Monto da Someti or Tergo Sibia or Tawati Brasia Mino, Tabasavera. It cannot work like that.
Alright. Diamond Sana, Rutu Kurua, Kabel Baka, the Banga Esrekari, nigwe gwatumurugulio bogo toirania Misiri nainde. Alright. Ibona sana. Kerokende Reverend ekira abange baligeretia serikali ye chiga kibare koligie campaign bindo binde abange mbego kerete bagatabanga for the first time twarora barai abo besogeti bamuirogete Nyasaye. Ibona atenga tigato na nobora yobo uchia ase aba bakorokana ngamba muirogete. Kono inkiya kwa nande Reverend we just saying serikali ya sirre
Lobo maene ngakiri twala kwa kachikura. Yes. Abantu abango batebetenga I can remember one time in Taracha 2022 anasiasa kurukunga kanonso musio kanaje tabusongo akarangeli chikanisa Jones agachibeka ama agatebanga onye ngakidere mutakire ko nole president Oromo Kristo mbon lakini tairete omurayo itujete igatumete kanisa bya kutosha. Yes. Akabatebi ngani nchebono ngocha naenda mangana ane pakanya beke buja. In fact ndagete kotebi ya misi omanyenga chikwere chi memorandum munchiro chinyinge sana sainde tina bantu bekanisa. Including ya mangana ya registration, including even tebinga taxation. Bono otoro chinga kumbe gari koira bichikorosi kweri naende biche gotoita. Ekera lengo ga tebetenga ega tebetunga bono na litukuchukutwara registration yechi kanisa everywhere. And we shall have churches chirekere kenyoro mokonya abantu injeno mo basta injeno mo evangelist injenimo bono ntagetenga njere chikanisa lakini what we are seeing is the contrary lakini ntagetoko tebege ntoke mo perega enseye toko genda mamincha ya Nyasaye na inde toko kolera Nyasaye bobe elindo menye ebukuge ko tebanga nyuma otarasalie kanisa ya Nyasaye erugusariri na kinta getako tebanga onyo murai kwenseye kare karo na ndega tegereta na chikuigwa abantu bamushauri ngaki ebi abono amaje koitekare na ndeta koja bucha. The only very dangerous place you can ever touch and you don't survive, it is the church. Because ekanise yetoko kwanera abantu bakonyirigire baramuna mogire banyoramuna nyambegero mito banyoramuna prophet barange yiko inere barora is not. We are agents of the Lord. Toko mokonya si biasara bio ku expand the kingdom. Ekero kuna talinche kuna mogire. Igo kuna Nyasaye. And so because bago target the church, I want to tell you for free that they will not go scot free.
Alright. Marawa yabana mwanchumu uligire chinga kichito chire kirigima tukatoka kwa muswado yo. Ekene kia mangana turara baraibande bonse prophet weso kirikula sekanisa bago support. Nchirendenga bospini go babere mamincha yo muswado yo asabange batebirenga nigo bage ogenda tokoba kokogenda mamincha no botene nari bwa achikanisa na boigo ababwatani bospi asobwamo. Bishop Ngwatabanga usually file returns.
Yes, we do.
Kero mwaka utia serikali.
Yes.
Inki serikali kali wesa nikera labda nenseme yo goya returns. Na andi achakire ko mulekera gatia emero beliende undo koleta donation yayi. Lakini inera bakale koliki. Na ndakora profit at some point. Lakini at one point duwaroje na politicians ba myogeto utia sikanisa mono sana. They really banked in church in terms of cash. Is it that it is also coming for their money? Bishop.
Igante venaki. Igoro ye ya returns. Nechibese chibago chirabono. Talinga abalengere linga bache. Oyo no muroberi bwo goite kanisa. Una prophetate ona tuate biri. Yes. Because kerenga ngelinge kanisa nkurwe richbase. Abantu aba bagoche se kanisa. Abana abantu batamenye tie kanisa. Abana abantu bayigole tiduka. Abana abalimu abana abanyagitali. Abana abantu bakondi litoke. Bakole byasara aho bakuruchibese. Nabo igweza dake yekurwe kunere itoko returns. Lakini bono koba ekerenga kiabo nkelinga umate bali ko sabatibese chioka. Mbate bana kitora ndili omwana. Ono nende inkinaro ende bawo dera ngatora ndili omwana uranda iki. It is not kalinga nechibese balengete. Tigo balengete goite kanisa. Nekyo geta chikoba kuya guna abasomba ba Nyasaye batabira. Onde bwenzi amalika bateba. Otagete goite kanisa ya Nyasaye. Nyasaye akumusali.
Kataranyi sali.
Alright.
Amisi tegete nini. Tegato get right. Ngati mo basta gota ekiagara ntu etotomire togenda sense. Togende zeyonse. The Great Commission, according to the Bible, igagotera togenda. Rande yamanya kuburi ngakyo montara agenda ataratu. Na ende ngakiara tungakia bantu baranyora ringana batara bara tukiye batarate. Na ni moraga chie. Omo bastora se kanisa na mangana yesa dake kuruwe na besa chindi chose chigotoko. Igo chiroro chigo kora charity. Debi kanisa tebugatie sukuru, tebugatie nyagitari, tebugatie orphanage, tebugatie nini. Charity ya yentangani no ko omo basta atara agenda chigo konye nkole kale muinari. Agenda chigo sabere nkole kale muinari. That is how we survive. Lakini any government officer igoko kubago tebanga babekire budget ya million fulani for interest. Muna imokako genda isiko igakogenda oro abaliri munara ara isiko chibesa nchirara ikuchitalinse checho. Intu tobwatigente ekyo. Intu tokurusia sadake yo muntu goodwill ngakigenda konye nkole karasigete. Ngakyo muntu yo matara dream. Obanonyo muntu karumu yapi otagete kokora amangana al extraordinary ase Kenya. Aisara sana korosi muswada na kotebanga kero mobastora senseyega. Ali arejeste elietali yaje libo. Kero mweli gwo motieni. Ayichiriwe 50. Ekiagere mbere muntu okora. We are trying to form character formation. We are assisting in the society. Tokonye te serikali abantu mbabasikobe bibaho. Bibaga basigale bakwakuno bakwa deploy dike doleke 20 aba pastor babe 15 okubeko musigale yoyo.
Akobeko musigale yoyo maposto chasi saboke bangwanire basomba bumwe kwali ngama na posto. Abata bange bi yo wayekanire kiandagia ikomi. Ibo liyo mweleke message chinga ki prophet. Ningo kora mangana oversight maybe na mangana accountability ase ekanisa. Because akoli no muswado no gote banga babeke board of trustees. Abakwandikega bakolera mangana yo kwenekenga na wanye sadake no mushiriki aruri anyara kwa bego tumeka senchira ebwenere.
The church oversight is the Bible. Our standard is the word of God. Standard ye kanisa is the word of God. You see all these shenanigans, all this catwalk, ye woche sengencho, e kanisa take a step. Maybe tigawatu anjira to sabuna Bishop Mugira Teva or what will come next. Hiyo bendera ikikuwa half mast watu watajua kwamba kanisa ni moto. Bwana ntokuwa hapo this swali ya about accountability. Kanisa ni what members. We are accountable to the members. Chiba si charuru kwa bolinga kanisa kwa gachwe. Chiba si charuru chama gacho. Kanisa tili kwa gacho. We are accountable to the members. We are accountable to God. Jana munero, heaven nero. So that is very clear. Number 2, because Timothy was not younger, so let me just finish it quickly.
Yes.
Ntowata baishimiwa. I know moralia kwa miaka menga missing up for long.
Yes.
And most even politicians in this studio of yours. Politician uko iromo to parliament o sabachikwa uko around 5 years ocha ne V8. Ocha ne prado ya milioni 10.
Yes.
Ocha ne chikari chine. Who is oversighting that person? There is message. Musara biko no nyobe kama kwesipi. They are stealing. We are not saying management to manage. We are not stealing. We are servants of God. You see, kindly allow us to one verse because to a one day intervening, we are not even quoted the Bible.
Yes.
And then go somewhere ekebungu krai kemo kyoka. Into we are not citizens of this world. Pamanyesa nginevu kutoka kwandre kanisa nevuku. Ngosomere evasi yiga yemo quickly just yobukanire nya kwibora but nende
right prophet kuna kugoragari nalega igotanga sabera umuchaki wilingana elio manyaza kayo na urete abantu lakini nyuma yaye alisema atarudishia mara 3 na wao watakuja kurudishia Mungu mara 10. Oyagoro kuna Elijah Makori. Prophet.
So na ukwananga ebiri kukwanerenga into Kristo we are citizens of heaven.
Yes.
Actually that is in Philippians 3:20. In Philippians 3:20 agotaiga. But we are citizens of heaven. Tumeto senkora nkotora mole bukuri neke gusima. But we are citizens of heaven.
Right.
Where the Lord Jesus Christ lives, and we are eagerly waiting for him to return as ourselves ngantwe ngakisa
naba menyi baiguru
mtuna baiguru and we are servants of God. We are not servants of Kenya.
Yes.
Our pay, our salary comes from heaven. They should mbase kwe sumbwa ngakito menyete ngakie kanisa ko barani. Kanisa does not belong into tora ambassadors. Muna wana otobwate ambassador of America to Kenya. The church is another government which is run by a different kingdom, a kingdom of God. Narodi nenge buku ya toki. Philippians 3 ango twanisomeke gusi.
Ango twanisomeke gusi. Bino wa ikitogenda to yetu barase umunobwa eke gusi. Timaiti Reverend Kirokende ingana yago no wasemya kwa gwasema roya. Bono kwatakane ngani ingima tonyale ko batoko yigirika to ko yigirika.
Obo seme kwa na no kuiga. Amisi ekanisa ya very threatened.
Yes.
Igonare kuuria ba Kristo bonsipi andonsi asebale. Number 1, omo Kristo nya ko randonsipi. To basigo isaransorale. To isaranse chiante na cheito chigenda igoro asingencho yogo chaka gusaba.
Yes.
Ekiagera wetani genteke tu arorira mangana go chakurumagega namabe na indago chigosali nonyene se ito ya Kenya. Nyumense tarachira chisese. Tige kanisa imukiri bagali yaye eteke position yaye elinde chake gusabira nonyene oburayibura sense. Then secondly, ingonya ndinaro gukwana omonene bwensa igulinganeri.
Yes.
Aisaransa achake go check all the bills chiko genda into parliament.
Yes.
Even as a counter assemblies, governors by saranse baligiriri na speakers baligiriri ngama chiko kiata gete ko genda ase chi parliament chabo ase nginto yoko ya etia. By saranse baligiriri sana. Ikiagera we are getting confused and the Kenyans are going to be confused until we perish.
All right.
Tinta to ko rangani bagiri mon ko ringanere. Prophet na te otebe ringana. Take the hotel. A canisa. Ndugate our internal mechanisms of regulation. Canisa will kill Morayura, Yagote, Nabate secretary, Nabate treasurer, Nabate church elder, Nabate organizing secretary, Nabatuan.
Yes.
Umonte secretary, Meremoyaye, correspondences, Nakobeka records. As a member, members. Right. 90 Meremaka to Arura, say Canisa, I can was so many members. Eba guisa na kabate abange mbere imbiya parate kende kende mbiya kolire bono barabugo chako tobolia into tutolia batoko sabachibe za chibond euro bond njiko ganda sitakiri tule shilingi 10 to gwate kanisa
mbibona sana chi daika chito chirire kegi mokoranga bishop next time ngokoro more life body timahead the government is coming for you ase daika ya motuga ine somne biblia kwate ba Philippians nyenga 320 yes
igongo teba iga ekanisa nje bangete ochese kanisa ndeyonsi elia aliyestokorandia n'abasonga banyasaye batebire ntubwate bitabo birikira Jumapili buna rero twende kanisa esadake kuri kuoro kifungo kya mbali gereri baro murandi arolenga no muntu una kisadaka kiriko kubwata na kiro kimwa no we have our account, we have our banks in town.
Yes.
Like now, in our church, we bank with KCB, we bank with Equity. We have the treasurer, and concerned, they send the money.
Right. People sana koranga prophet abakari kole serikali kali kole ngachiba sechi. Achingo sangeriwa oko
kwa beka
mubuko kwenda. Aya. Aba bilibi santo 20 ya Biblia yale gote baiga ase munweke gusina ki obubyale bwaito igorobole korwago naende ntoganyete omotoria omonene Yesu Kristo atamo obubyale bwaito igorobole right inengana emwamu nyarakobage kube kwa chinguru amona amo prophet chinga kito chilekegima prophet ase isida ke mo kegima de toboloriye etibiria narakobago gote moncho murigire ngana we
omone yesabakwe omotegereria on this TV mbuya muna so tutegere closing remarks yanelinga ntoba sekorara tusabe nyasaye nere okubwa bono iga yobasa ndekorwania ekanisa nyasaye mambia kukorwani bale batebe ngamba igwe kugokwana Yesu in the public. So don't think wanaanza kidogo wakiingia kwa ndani. Uchunge imani yako na usimame mahali pako. Mimi kitu nitasema, fungueni macho yenu ya kiroho. na mkwe watu wa imani. Pinga hii kitu. Ikiwezekana piga magoti yako chini, ongea na Mungu vile unataka.
Alright. Yema reverend ngana wewe sika kigima chinga daga chutya.
Abantu baminto bya mona singe nchumu atotegereire na inde mwatoire chinga kichingiya. Tiganye nga yatwa kwana akurwa se station ya Ndisi TV. Yabeire yamo yatwaliganiri asinge ncho yogotonyorera forum wende tubakwanire. No nyambali batamanyete bono mwamanyire. Ira chinga kicheino guya elinde moisaransa sama sabo. Kanisa telia sense mingi ya korange kanisa ya bwatru ne serikali nete gitoko sona ne kanisa omuhelio ngocha goete bale ngai tuko gitena tutageterisa asi mukanye ngima iga bantu ba minta asemole be kama sabo elinde nyasa kolo gwanja kwa ya sense ya Kenya onyege gusinya toisaranse tobe kama runse gose totale na magoro tobe kechigunia I'm telling you amisi aba Kristo moko genda boy Kenya ngima we shall bring this government down within a day.
All right, mimi sana
igongote baiga ayago koleka Kenya tali mageni chinse chinde togo kwa na Yesu chinse chinde bana mbakurandiri igonda sabenga ntoke kanyageche tiga to sabe Nyasaye tobe kogo seme libuna twateba kitariki 14 kyomo tienyo 10 abarandi bonse pigusi igoto karega ali Church of God as a Bishop Mogira Akoba ali bosongo ni njuto sabe tumuriro monene nabo abande bali bataramanya igoro ye Biblia paso meruya banye igwe elio tonyale kubwaterana asokumuriyo monene mbiyamono ganya saba koramanya
Biamono sana Prophet Nyabuto Nyamura Holy Synagogue Church Kiogoro Bishop Dennis Nyaboga kwa kanisa Jesus Glory Church Reverend James Mugire Getembe Church of God na buoto nyara kwa toko sanga mana barabu marago ya bono uko cha kwenda gaiga abasomba no kwenge njoke gima mparo abaito kerokende boko nyarabana leko bagutwara ogo tutuka no ngoro yo moswade ko ndeto nyara kwa toko yirigeria asenjere wekera no mwanjo mo yirigeria kwa nyara kwa ko osange karangari kya riri boli aga mwana nti to wakera ngambia mano aso ko renga nyara kwa bago ko bwatia omoro beli oyo kire asengencho yago aye omobwatani bwe kanisa kwa ko bago kumanya ngi kyarenge ase omoswado ensamo ya kabiri suru nyara kwa kanike chifu cha bali jago kira asenjere wekera no abugari nyanchama literally ngoro kwa Josephat mise basomba kimoko gena na into bagani ema ya kwa lebe tasene Kendizi TV tutora bagani na ande haki kimokane amen ndimo sana mwancho kuligeria twakwanirie obuligerio bya ntomera na manachi sasa tuchebara gotuko nyara kwa bayo kumanya manga tokenda kwa batuko kwatire kwa SMS ito ya maya.
Thank you so much.
Amen.
Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omugusi.